Welcome to a beautiful evening in Houston, Texas. My friends be here partying while I'm working on my car.
Alright, so we will be working on the WRX today, installing these DRL lights from Japan. Here is the switch. Be pretty cool to have that luxury to turn it on and off. Green goes to the power source, the black is your ground, and the red wire goes to your JDM lights. This is the separating harness. It's not used, but I did cut it after the fuse. It did come with a piece of foam. I went ahead and just put it here.
I pretty much just finished up a couple hours of work hooking up the DRL lights. I did use automotive wire. It's got a really thick jacket around it. I put it in some 1/4-inch heat shrink through the driver's side fender into the driver's side wheel well, footwell. That hole right there, I went through there. Got to head out to Dallas tomorrow, so I'm unable to finish it this weekend. I'm actually here in Dallas, Texas. Starter did go out on the Tundra. So tell me, man, what you think of Houston people?
Man, I don't know about Houston people.
Who's your favorite player on the Cowboys?
I don't like the Cowboys.
Finally heading back to Houston, Dallas traffic. Doobie wave. I pretty much finished the entire setup. I just put the button in my JDM coin holder, so when you turn it on, that red light will be on. Looking real good. I'll show you guys some pics on the outside. Here it is, full blast with everything on. Here we go. Got the fogs.